Okay, so let's get started. This is video number 2 on the beautiful sound. It's a beautiful diagram. How to say this diagram? Cha. Cha. Not cha, it's cha. Cha. Push the air, push the air. Cha. 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 Sounds great. Okay, now let's move on to next beautiful word. Everybody say cha.
Cha.
Make it more smaller. Cha.
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 Beautiful. Okay, this is not E, this is, everybody say A.
A.
Do your hands. A. A. Che. Now say pa. No, it's cha, but this is A. Che. Please something. High five. Good job. Clap for him. Okay, so this is che. Che. We will not say. We won't say cheap. No, cheap. No, it's che. Che. Get your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Heads. No, not heads. Just heads. Hands up, and speak like this. Che. Che. Okay, if I say another word, this is C-H-E-E-K. This is cha. And the next E is a long E. Okay, the long E. Anybody open your, stretch your arms and say E. So show me your teeth. No. E. Let's say this. E. I want to see your teeth. Can you see? Yes, can I see? E. No, make it stretch longer. E. Sorry, you're looking soft. No. It is. Yeah, good job. So this is cut. Now say cheese. Make a bubble again. And make a laugh. Okay, this is a cheek. Okay. Now say cheese. Now let's repeat all these words. Say cha. Open your mouth. Cha. Not cha, it's cha. Open your mouth. Now say che. And now say cheese. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the third video. But before this, everybody say bye-bye.